Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a native of Florida that loves bird watching and currently looking for a bird book or bird guide that focuses about birds or bird identification? If you love birds and is a native of Florida, then the Birds Florida Field Guide 2nd Edition will be the perfect product for you. This is a field guide which is created by Stan Tequila. Learn on how to easily identify birds since this item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. You and your kids will surely love the presentation of this field guide. Enhance your knowledge about the birds which are found in Florida. This item is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or fort collection. But the awesome features don't end there. This item has an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's certain name or even classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. Now is the perfect time to get this baby. Grab the Birds Florida Field Guide 2nd Edition today at a very affordable price. This field guide is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Florida. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.